Hi dear students. Okay, we'll start the class now. Can you hear me? Okay, friends. Can you hear me or not? Okay, listen. Here is the verification. The coefficient of x square. So sum of zeros is given by what? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Here in the equation, coefficient of x is minus 2 and minus of minus 2 becomes what? Plus 2. See here, minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2 and coefficient of x square is what? 1. So divided by 1. So minus 2 into minus becomes what? Plus 2 divided by 1. That becomes what? Sum of zeros is what? 2. And product of zeros. See what will happen? Product of zeros. Product of zeros is minus 8. Given by product of 0 is given by what? Product of 0 is given by a constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. That is, constant term is what? Minus 8. Constant term is minus 8 divided by coefficient of x square is what? That is 1. X square contains no coefficient, means that is considered as 1. So minus 8 divided by 1. So hence verified, because see here in equation x minus 4 is 1 0 and x plus 2 is another 0. So x plus 2 is this one, means the sum of zeros, and product of 0 is what? 4 to the 8 minus 8. 4 into minus 2 is 8 plus 4 minus 2, or otherwise you see here 4 minus 2 is sum of 0. 4 minus 2 is 2 and product of 0, that is 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So that is the solution. So we'll move to the next question. Likewise, with the same formula, we can verify the remaining. See here, find the number of the following quadratic equations and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So 4s square minus 4s plus 1. See, find the number of zeros following quadratic equation and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So 4s square minus 4s plus 1 here, after splitting the middle term. So 4 into 1 is 4. So product should be plus 4 and multiplication should be minus, addition should be minus 4. So my minus 4s can be written as minus 2s minus 2s. That is 2s into bracket of 2s minus 1 common. In the second pair, minus 1 is taken outside. So 2s minus 1 will remain in the bracket. So in both the groups, 2s minus 1 taken common outside. So 2s minus 1 will remain again in another bracket. So zeros of the polynomials for this is given by what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So or you equate to z equal to 0, you will get these 1 by 2, 1 by 2, because 2s, see, 2s minus 1 equal to 0. So 2s is equal to 1. So s is equal to what? 1 by 2. Like that, you will get both the terms. Okay. Next. here sum of zeros is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So that is also verified by what? Standard formula, minus coefficient of s divided by coefficient of s square, minus, so this coefficient is what? Minus 4. Coefficient of s is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of s square is what? 4. Minus of minus what? Plus 4. 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. So this one and this one are same, so verified. And product of zeros, product of zeros means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, so that is 1 by 4. So formula for this is what? Product of constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term is here 1, coefficient of s square is what? 4. Coefficient of s square is 4, so 1 divided by 4. This is also 1 divided by 4. By formula is also 1 divided by 4, hence verified. So next question. Here 6x square minus 3x minus 7x is the polynomial. 6x, rearrange the given polynomial as their degree of degree in ascending order. So first x square, then x, and then constant. So 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So 6 3s are 18. So product should be 18 and sum is minus 7. That is 9 2s are 18. So minus 9x plus 2. 9 2s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So these are the factors, minus 9x and plus 2x. If you take 3x common outside from this pair, so 2x will remain. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square, 6x square. So 3x is taken outside. So 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 will remain, plus here already 2x minus 3 is there, nothing is common, so take that as 1. So 2x minus 3 will remain again in the bracket. So in both the groups 2x minus 3 is common, so what will remain in another bracket? 3x plus 1. That is enough. Therefore zeros of polynomial of the equation are even a reverse ಬರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು, minus 1 divided by 3, or I will show how to take the solution. Okay, so 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 is 1 0. And to take another 0, another 0, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2 is another 0. Like that. Fine. Sum of zeros is what? 3 plus 3 by 2. So what is LCM? LCM is 6. So I will write this one, minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is what? 6. So 3, how much the 6? 3 2s are. That is minus 2 plus 2, how much the 6? 2 3s are. So that is what? 3 3s are 9. So that is minus 2 plus 9 is what? 7 divided by 6. So this is what? 7 divided by 6. Then here minus coefficient of x, minus coefficient of x means minus, here coefficient of x is what? Minus 7. Minus of minus 7 is what? Plus 7. And coefficient of x square is, that is 6 divided by 6. So here this term is verified. Now product of zeros. Zeros means minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 3 minus becomes common. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 2 in the denominator. 3 into 2 is what? Again 6. So minus 3 by 6. We need to prove coefficient. We need to verify what? Product of zeros is what? Minus 3 by 6. So for that we have a formula, term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. What is the constant term? Constant term is minus 3. Yes, minus 3. And coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is 6. That is 3 by 6, minus 3 by 6. This is also minus 3 by 6, minus 3 by 6. So verified. So we'll move to so next question was, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So this is same. You can solve yourself. Just take a screenshot. So 4u square plus 8u is equal to 4u in multiplication. This what? 4u into bracket of u plus 2 is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. L 4u square 8u are what? 8 minus sum of 0 is what? Sum of 0 minus 2. So that can also be done minus divided by 4. Same time. Okay, bye.